Hi, this is Dr. Roy Kim. Thanks for joining me. Today's topic is one that we actually don't discuss enough, but is very important: breast implant warranties. Today, I'm going to be talking about the 4 major breast implant companies for aesthetic use in the United States: Allergan, Mentor, Motiva, and Sientra breast implants. What's interesting is that even if you're a breast reconstruction patient, the warranty actually still applies to you. After watching this video, I hope that you'll be able to really figure out what are the similarities and differences between the best breast implant for you in terms of the warranty and what protections you may or may not have. Let's start with the basics. All 4 companies, Allergan, Mentor, Motiva, and Sientra, have an excellent basic free implant warranty. It comes with the purchase or use of your breast implant. But as I say, the devil's always in the details. We're going to break down the key components, including defects with the actual implant or rupture risk, capside contracture, and financial assistance, as well as some of the unique characteristics that each company may have. First, let's talk about rupture risk. This is where all 4 implant companies actually have similarities. During your lifetime, if there's a defect in terms of your implant and in terms of rupture, all 4 implant companies will give you a new implant. Conditions apply, of course, but generally they're very similar. All 4 companies will typically offer you contralateral or other side implant as well. So specifically, if you want to upsize or downsize, or more importantly, sometimes the exact model of implant may no longer exist, yes, the breast implant company will give you 2 implants if needed. Now, this is where it gets a little interesting. Yes, your implant is covered, but what about removal, explantation, and new implantation costs? In other words, the costs of the operating room, anesthesia, and surgical fee. This is where they differ a little. Allergan and Mentor both offer approximately $3,500 for 10 years. Sientra stands out because they offer $5,000 over 20 years. Motiva's basic plan is similar to Allergan and Mentor, but they do offer an enhanced or upgraded plan, which is $3,500 or $3,500 over 10 years. Next, let's discuss capside contracture. So as you know, capside contracture is uncommon, but it is extra thickened scar tissue around the actual implant, around the actual implant shell. This is where we see more of a difference between the manufacturers. Allergan and Mentor cover capside contracture for the first 10 years after placement. Sientra actually covers capside contracture within the first 20 years. Motiva's basic plan actually aligns with both Allergan as well as Mentor. However, Motiva's extended or enhanced plan offers financial assistance from 2 years to up to 5 years. Financial assistance for all of the companies vary a little. So we're not talking about a new implant for capside contracture, rather we're talking about financial assistance for operating room, anesthesia, surgical fees. Allergan and Mentor both offer $2,000 within the first 2 years. Sientra also matches this amount, $2,000 in 2 years. Motiva's upgraded or enhanced plan offers $2,500 within the first 5 years. Next up, there are unique differences between all 4 manufacturers, and we'll discuss that. First up is Allergan. They have something known as a Confidence Plus warranty. This includes 20-year coverage for late seroma, spelled SEROMA, and they also have CD30 panel testing for BIA-ALCL concerns, a very rare type of lymphoma, which really is associated not with existing implants on the market, but it is reassuring to know that if there's an issue in the future, it is covered in terms of testing. Mentor has something known as a Promise Protection Plan, and they do cover something known as double bubble coverage. They also offer an enhanced plan where, yes, you have to pay a little more, but they offer a little better financial assistance if needed. The Sientra Platinum 20 warranty covers capsular contracture as well as late seromal formation over 20 years, which is longer than the other companies. Sientra's Platinum 20 program does offer $5,000 coverage, which lasts for 20 years as well. Motiva is a newer FDA product, and what's unique is that they have the FemTech guarantee, which actually covers the portion of actual removal of the implant for no reason. So specifically, if you as a patient simply want your breast implants out, they will actually offer assistance for that. Motiva does offer an upgradable or enhanced plan as well. So with the Motiva enhanced plan, they offer lifetime coverage for late forming seroma as well as for double bubble. So I've talked a little about the free or already included breast implant warranty for all the breast implant companies. Please note that both Mentor as well as Motiva offer sort of an enhanced program. Yes, you have to pay a little more, but yes, they offer financial enhancements and longer coverage. Mentor's Promise Protection Plan does cost $300 as an upcharge, and you have to purchase it within the first 45 days of placement of your implant. Motiva has an Enhanced Health Program Plus program, which is additional $250. So you may have heard of BIA-ALCL. So this is a known risk of certain types of implants, specifically textured implants more so than smooth ones. Now, to give you peace of mind and to give patients peace of mind, all 4 implant companies do discuss this in their warranty. So just in case you do develop it, the implant companies do offer financial assistance. These amounts of money vary from $7,500 to $15,000. It depends on the manufacturer. And all of them do offer implant replacement. Which one do you choose? I think it really depends. So in terms of longest, yes, I think Sientra is the best because it does last 20 years. So if you want more enhancements, I would probably recommend the Mentor or Motiva breast implants because for a small fee, they will offer more warranty coverage and a slightly higher amount of financial assistance if needed. The other thing is specific complications. So if you're more worried about capside contracture, seroma, double bubble, length, the ability to remove the implants if you wish or not, then actually all 4 implant companies vary slightly, because they're sort of emphasizing different things. It's important to remember that these warranties are not offered by me, they're not offered by your plastic surgeon, they're really offered by the breast implant company. So I do think that this is a financial point that's sort of a little niche, but this is my take on it as well. Allergan, Mentor, and Motiva, their own parent companies, are huge. So they're publicly traded, they are financially backed, and especially Allergan, which is owned by AbbVie. Mentor, which is a subsidiary of Johnson & Johnson. These companies are huge. They're massive. The market capitalization and the worth of these companies are quite large. So if you're worried about financial longevity, I would probably go with those 2 companies. Motiva is a great company. The brand name is owned by Establishment Labs. They are publicly traded. They also have a fairly substantial amount of money behind their brand name as well. The last one is Sientra, and unfortunately Sientra filed for Chapter 11, and they were fortunately purchased by Tiger Biosciences, which is a privately held company. So I do think that finances of the actual company, the underlying financial stability, are important. How important? Well, that sort of depends on you. In general, if you think that you have an issue with your breast implant, of course, the most important thing is to talk to your plastic surgeon. The plastic surgeon will work with you as well as the breast implant company to file a claim. There is some paperwork involved. Typically, the breast implant companies usually want the implants back, so we have to send them back. And it just depends on your specific issue. So that topic is way too big for this video, but yes, to get implant coverage, yes, you need to probably see a plastic surgeon. So to end, all 4 implant companies actually offer very good included free implant warranty. 2 companies offer a more enhanced one, and the basics are pretty much similar with all 4 implant companies. I do think that they differ with how much you're worried about specific things, whether it's longevity or capside contracture, seroma, even just the ability to remove them with no actual issue, just, hey, if you want to remove them or not. I have, in the caption, placed all 4 companies' implant warranties in there, so you can actually look it up for yourself. Now, as of November 2024, this is accurate information. Remember, information changes, and that's up to the implant company, not necessarily me or even your plastic surgeon. So, before you get breast implants, you should consider the warranty and what's most important to you. Yes, it's a lot of thinking, a lot of education, but I do think that if you're a more informed, educated consumer, the more happy you're going to be with your decision, as well as your ability to understand, hey, if minor to major things go wrong, what can be done? So thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to watch other videos that I have on my YouTube channel, please go ahead and go to this link above my hand. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any other topics you want me to discuss, please let me know. Thanks and have a great day.